give a different approach. So the subject is mathematics, and the show has decided. What is the date today? Is that the correct date? So that is what we want to look at, and something that is very important when it comes to learning, especially in Form 2. In Form 3, you're going to apply this concept. I believe we're going to be in Form 3 the same year, isn't it? So you are a Form 2 stroke Form 3. So area of a triangle given two sides and unincluded angle. And one thing that we are supposed to be able to do, we are supposed to be able to first of all derive the formula. So each one of us will need to be able to derive the formula that can be used to solve the area or to find the area of a triangle when we are given two sides and included angle. I don't know whether we understand what you mean. Then number two, we are expected to be able to use the formula that we will have come up with to finding the problem. So use the formula to find the area. So those are the two objectives that we need to achieve this morning in our lesson. Are we together here? Now, I know that we know how to find the area of a triangle. But we know to find the area of a triangle when we are given what? So far, what we need, what we would call the prerequisite knowledge. What can you say about finding the area of a triangle when you are given the perpendicular height? So, which formula did you learn? Probably in Form 1, and also, let's say in primary, yes? A half times base times height. That is what we learned. So can you say that again so that we also see, so that you confirm that indeed you know? So you said its area is equals to a half times base times height. So, and I want to believe that all of us are aware of this formula. And given a question on the same, you can be able to do what? To solve. So I want us to break into our groups so that we see what if we are given, or rather what if we are given a problem that does not sound or does not augur well with this formula here. What is it that again we need to do? We need to do, because not every time you are going to be given a formula, or rather a question or a mathematical problem on the area of a triangle that will be using this. So we have other cases, and those cases are the ones that we would like to explore. And of course, our main concern this morning is finding the area of a triangle when we are given two sides and an angle. And that means one thing, that we have nothing to do with the perpendicular height. So how do we do this? So I want us to go into our group. So, and it is a triangle, and the activity I want you to discuss in 1 or 2 minutes is how will we be able to find that height? So just the way we are in our groups, what is the probability, or how can we be able to get the height? And for us to get the height, what knowledge do you need to use? Now, this is a triangle ABC, and of course we can see that we have the length AC, which is 8 units, then AB is 21 units. Now, you are 4 built. That group of yours, a group of intellectuals. Now, could you briefly discuss among yourselves and then suggest how we can be able to find the height in just 1 minute. Then you share what you have found. What have you come up with?